In today's video, we're doing 2 coats of kindness and then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. We're then using one of the new Aurora Cateye gel polishes, number 6, which is the gorgeous green colour. So you're using a dotting tool and you're doing 5 dots and then drawing a line across the top and then magnetising, popping that in the light. And then you're going to do 4 dots and a line across the top, magnetise it and pop it in the light. And then we're going to do 3 dots and so on and so forth until you get right to the top, where you would do one final dot and then you'd point it at the top. I did go out shot a little here, but you point it at the top, pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. We're then using the silver reflective Cateye gel, which is number 1, and painting a star on the top of the tree, magnetising that and then popping that in the lamp to cure. Finally, we're going to go over with a coat of top coat, and this is the final nail. A Cateye Christmas tree.